Hello friends, welcome to Nand Kishore classes. Today's lecture is going to be very interesting because we are going to do very important question based on geometry where rectangle is used but rotation of rectangle is also involved. It's a reasoning kind of question, mathematical reasoning. So please read it carefully. A rectangle is rotated 90 degrees about its center. Both rectangular shapes, the original and the new one, define a square as their intersection and 12 gone as their union. This is very important to see this 12 gone word. What is 12 gone? It's a polygon having 12 sides. Do remember, it's a polygon having 12 sides. Now firstly we need to understand how a rectangle when rotated about its center and the new diagram when they both intersect each other, how it forms a 12 gon. I'm going to show you. Please have a look properly. Let's suppose this is the first triangle, original triangle. Okay, this is the original triangle. When it is rotated 90 degree, see, this is what we are going to get. When they are placed, they intersect with each other. This is what we will get. Check the diagram very carefully. Now how it is 12 gone? Because 12 sides are there. Check this, count this: 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Don't count the middle lines, because whenever we count the sides of any polygon, it's the boundary sides only. So 12 sides are there. And they have specifically told that intersection diagram, this is a square. Even though my diagram does not seem to be a square, but it is a square. Please consider it. This is a square formed according to the question it is given there. Look here. It is written define a square. Now perimeter of 12 gon is 100 times the perimeter of square. Two conditions are given. One condition of perimeter is given, one condition of area is given. So we need to be very careful in that. How would we do it? First of all, I am considering this as width of the rectangle, original width, right? And original length, let's suppose it is L, obviously. If this length is W, that means this is also W, this is also W, right? But you should analyze it properly. If middle is a square, that means each length is W, W, W and W, because it is a square. And first condition says perimeter of 12 gon. What it says? Perimeter of 12 gon, it is equal to 100 times the perimeter of square. 100 times perimeter of square. This is the condition given. Now how to proceed in the question? That means firstly I need to find perimeter of 12 gon here. Perimeter is the sum of addition of boundary lengths, right? What I am having here, if I start counting, see, this is W, this is W, this is W. I hope this is making sense. And this is also W. These four white boundaries which I have formed here, its length is W, W, W and W, that is for sure. That means my perimeter of 12 gon contains 4W for sure, plus remaining lengths are still there. What are the remaining lengths? Let me show you once. Remaining lengths are this one. Look at this green one. I hope it is visible. Right? This green lengths are still pending to be added. Now point is, sir, how to count this green lines? Please check very carefully. This full length I'm showing here, this full length is L, right? Full length is L. Out of this full L, if you subtract this W, it will become these two, it will cover these two green lines. I am repeating, this full length is L, right? This full length is L. Out of this L, I am going to remove this middle portion W, because W does not come in the perimeter of the whole diagram. So L minus W covers this line, L minus W covers this line, L minus W cover this line, and L minus W cover this line. Total 4 lines are there, and each is being represented by 4 times L minus W. One is L minus W, I am multiplying it by 4. It is equal to 100 times perimeter of square. Now perimeter of square is what? Perimeter of square is 4W. So I filled the value 4W. We need to calculate, we need to solve this equation. It becomes 4W plus 4L minus 4W is equal to 400W. This 4W and 4W cancels, so we get 4L is equal to 400W, and finally I am getting a relation that L is equal to 100W. This is very important relation. Whatever the width is, length is 100 times width. This result we have got. Very important result by doing this calculation I am getting. And what I am going to do, I am writing this result here. L is 100W. This is the result which I have got. Now I need to clean the board so that we can use the space for the next condition which is given. And if you check carefully, next condition is given for area. Please check it. Next line given is area of 12 gon. I'm writing here area of 12 gon is x times area of square. Okay, and we need to find this value of x. Firstly, area of 12 gon, this is what we need to find. It's not difficult, it will be easy, just have a look. What I'm going to do, firstly I am going to find area of this triangle. This color is visible. Since area of 12 gon means everything I need to do, firstly I am taking area of this rectangle. Length time width, right? It is LW. LW, this is the area of this rectangle. But if I take this full length, full rectangle, it has one problem. This square is coming extra, which should not come, right? Relax. What we will do, we will write it as LW minus, LW means I am taking full length time width, but from that I am subtracting this area of square, which is W square. So this is what my left side is, and it is equal to x times area of square, which is equal to W square. This is the complete situation I'm having. I need to solve it, simplify it. LW plus LW is 2LW minus W square, it is equal to XW square. Please check it very carefully. This is what we have got, and my aim is to find the value of x. Do remember, we are going to find x only. L was found as 100W, right? This is the time to use it. I'm going to use here, if I place at the place of L 100W, it's going to be helpful to multiply 100, and yes, 1W is also there outside. It is the value of L only. Let me make the space again. Actually, I cannot remove the diagram because diagram is very important. So we are having 2 multiply 100 is 200. So as of now we have got 200W square minus w square is equal to xw square. 200w square minus w square makes 199 w square is equal to xw square. W square, you can divide both sides by w square now, right? And finally, you will get 199 is equal to x. So as it was asked, compute the value of x. Value of x is 199. This question was very interesting. I found it because it comes usually in reasoning or some important competitive exams where no options are given. It's a lengthy kind of questions when it comes in exams. And I found it important and interesting. That's why I've made this video. I hope it was helpful. Thank you so much for watching today's video.